Hi guys, so what told in this video was Dr. Kitten Elsa Pat Pat.
Hi everyone. So I enlisted help from Kid Rogue here to help me with this first aid kit because she's basically the doctor of the household. Whenever there is a scrape or a bruise or something like that, she is on top of it. She is our best little helper. She knows exactly where the first aid kits are around the house, in the Jeep. She has Band-Aids in her backpack. She's talking about her Elsa backpack that she's carrying everywhere with her. She is our resident doctor, and so I wanted her to help me review this first aid kit. So this first aid kit is by Surviveware. Surviveware has a whole line of just a variety of different sizes and types of first aid kits. This one is the Survivor edition, so it's going to come with a little extra things that you may not be able to see. And of course, you can always add to the pre-made first aid kits that you buy. I've been really impressed with a lot of the pre-made first aid kits. I think it's smart to get some sort of pre-made kit and then just add to it. You know, of course, as you use your first aid kit, you're going to be adding to it, changing things out, making it your own, adding medications to it, that kind of thing. So this first aid kit, you know, of course, you can always make your own. There's nothing wrong with either of these options. Surviveware just happens to have a really great line, and I'm really impressed. I don't collaborate with a lot of businesses these days. When somebody contacts me, I first look them up, and if I see that they have like a legit quality product, then I want to work with them. And I really wanted to work with Surviveware. She has alcohol swabs.
Yeah, for when you get hurt and poke. If you ever get hurt, you need wipe your boo-boo before you do Band-Aid on your boo-boo wet.
That's right. Wipe off all that dirt, right?
Yeah, from falling down.
All right, let's take a deeper look into the first aid kit.
White guys, so here's a flashlight and scissors.
That's right. There's a lot of stuff. A lot of this over here is like the Survivor stuff that I told you about. Now, first of all, what I want to tell you that I love about this is the labeling. The labeling is nice. In a first aid kit, you want things to be labeled. You want to know exactly. Skin cleaning wipes, adhesives, biodegradable wet wipes. Yes, I want to know where all these things are immediately. Now, some of this is like the Survivor stuff. Like this is a little knife. Sometimes we have to cut off clothes or other restrictive things. So this comes with a little knife that comes with a seatbelt cutter.
Mom, do we cut boo-boos with these scissors?
Generally not, but so it does come with some nice medical shears. Again, this is the Survivor edition, so it comes with this is the hand saw. This is a little multi-tool. I actually have a very similar multi-tool to this that I carry everywhere with me. So that's a nice multi-tool. And then it comes with a triangular bandage, not survival rated.
Mom, what is that?
That's a whistle. She found a whistle. These are nice big tweezers.
Mom, let's see if it works.
Okay. Oh, that's a pretty good whistle. A little flashlight. It comes with some safety pins. It comes with a glow stick. Ooh, a couple glow sticks.
And what's
this is a little CPR kit. Comes with a little CPR kit.
Oh my God.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
All right. So up here, there's a couple things that aren't marked, but cotton balls, pressure bandages, tape, and then biodegradable wet wipes.
Why do we use those bandages when we get hurt on our arm?
Well, it just kind of depends on how we're hurt. We use a variety of different things for when we're hurt. It's not all just Band-Aids, little girl. This is a survival bracelet. And then there's a little poncho, some adhesive dressings, wound closures, a cotton gauze, adhesive dressing, oh, I said that, skin cleaning wipes, alcohol pads, and hydrogel for like burns and scalds and that kind of thing. And it comes in this really nice compact. Here it comes with all of your personal stuff, so you can put like your medications and things up there. This bag in general.
Also, let me show you one of my bandages.
Okay. This bag in general is super top notch. I've actually had this in the Jeep for a few months, and I've been using it and throwing it around. it's top notch. This bag is super sturdy. It is really great. As you can see, it's dirty. I've been using it. The handle is great. It's got 2 handles on the sides. And then it has some clips in the back and some webbing. You can attach it to things like your bag if you wanted to. And then of course it has the Velcro in front. You can put whatever more eye patches if you like. So this in the back can also completely come off. Now we actually have a Velcro on our roller bar on our Jeep. So attaching this to the Velcro on our roller bar is where it would go in our Jeep. But it also does have, you know, you could just attach that back onto it. And there you go. And it has this nice little strap that you could attach to a roll bar or somewhere else. The Velcro is super strong. So it does have this little strap here that you could use as well. I just strap it around like this. There it goes. And then it has a couple D-rings, and that is pretty much it.
Here's Olive bandage. I've been waiting for you.
All right. Also make sure, now that the cat's in the picture, make sure that your first aid kit will be good for any animals that you may have as well, cats, dogs, that kind of thing, especially if they go traveling with you. But, you know, when it comes to medications, put medications in here that are going to be good for you and your children. Basically, when it comes to this specific Surviveware, I am really just super impressed with everything that they have in their line. And this is, like I said, the like survival edition, and I'm really impressed. It's a little bulky, you know, like if you were thinking of like a bug out situation. I personally might carry this, but they do have smaller ones, they have bigger ones, they have all sizes, all budgets. And again, you know, you're always going to be changing out, you know, things, replacing things in your first aid kit, but this can be a good starter for you for at home, for your car, for your bag, every day, whatever. I'm going to put a link down below to where you can go find Surviveware and check out all their products. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.